Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make okra water. But before we start, subscribe to this channel. I'll first put my okras in a dish. Then I'll add water and I'll thoroughly wash them. I'll then drain the water. And then I'm going to cut off the ends of each okra pod. In case you're wondering what are the benefits of okra water, then these are some of the benefits. Number 1, it helps to improve digestion. Number 2, it is good in vitamins and minerals, which is good for your eyes and good for your skin. Number 3, it helps to control obesity. Number 4, it helps in weight loss. Number 5, it helps boost immunity. Number 6, it controls diabetes and prevents kidney disease. Number 7, it helps to lower blood pressure. Number 8, it helps to control asthma and it also prevents constipation. Okra water is rich in fiber, which is good for your heart and colon health. It also fights infections and it's also good for hormonal imbalance. If you have severe cramps as a woman, you can always drink this okra water. It will help relieve the pains. I'm then going to put my okra in a glass. Then I'll fill up the glass with water. Then I'm going to let it stay overnight or for at least 8 hours before I can drink it. This is how your okra water will look. If you don't like the slimy texture of okra water, then you can add some lemon juice or some honey to it just to add some flavors. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends this amazing content.